Can you tell what mythical creature will win against whom? Let's find out. How is your knowledge? Dragon versus Griffin. Dragon. Phoenix versus Kraken. Sphinx versus Cerberus. Yeti versus Wendigo. Basilisk versus Manticore. Basilisk. Banshee versus Harpy. Phoenix versus Rock. Phoenix. Fenrir versus Chimera. Fenrir. Cerberus versus Hydra. Cyclops versus extra. Tie. Can you please subscribe and like our video?